takes dedication. Molding a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Molding a man, add some civility. Molding a man, builds your integrity. Molding a man brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision. That you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe. 4 books every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Molding, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
The power of presentation. It's not vain, it's valuable. Gentlemen, let's talk about grooming. It's more than just a routine, it's a statement. First impressions matter, a lot. They can set the tone for any interaction. People judge you before you even open your mouth. Your appearance speaks first. How you present yourself speaks volumes. It tells a story about who you are. Think of it as your personal brand. Every detail counts. Are you projecting confidence, success, and respect? These qualities are essential. Grooming isn't about vanity, it's about self-respect and discipline. It shows you care about yourself and how others perceive you. This perception can open doors. This matters in all aspects of life, career, relationships, and personal well-being. Every setting benefits from a well-groomed appearance. When you look good, you feel good. This feeling boosts your confidence. That confidence translates into every interaction you have. It becomes a part of your identity. A well-groomed man commands attention and respect. People notice and respond positively. He walks taller, speaks clearer, and achieves more. His presence is undeniable. This isn't about fitting into a mold, it's about unlocking your best self and expressing your individuality. It's time to step up your game. Embrace the power of presentation and let it elevate every aspect of your life. Master the basics: shaving, hair, body, breath. These are the pillars of a well-groomed appearance. Let's break it down. Grooming isn't complicated, but it is consistent. It's about making small daily efforts that add up over time. Master the fundamentals and you're already ahead of the game. Consistency is key, and it shows in your overall appearance. Shaving, a clean shave or well-maintained facial hair is non-negotiable. It shows attention to detail and respect for your appearance. Hair care: find a hairstyle that suits your face and maintain it. Regular haircuts demonstrate that you're put together and care about your look. Body cleansing. Hygiene is crucial. Shower daily, use deodorant, and choose a body wash that keeps you feeling fresh and clean throughout the day. Oral hygiene. Your smile is your best asset. Brush, floss, and visit the dentist regularly for fresh breath and a confident grin. A healthy mouth reflects a healthy lifestyle. These basics are the foundation. Nail them and everything else falls into place. A well-groomed man exudes confidence and makes a lasting impression. Shaving secrets. A close shave for a confident you. Discover the art of shaving and transform your daily routine into a moment of self-care. Shaving isn't just about dragging a razor across your face. It's an art that requires precision and the right tools. Invest in a quality razor and shaving cream. These essentials can make a world of difference in achieving a smooth shave. Prepare your skin with warm water to soften the hairs. This step is crucial for a close and comfortable shave. Shave with the grain to prevent irritation. Use short, gentle strokes and rinse your razor frequently to keep it clean and effective. Afterward, apply a soothing aftershave balm to moisturize and protect your skin. This helps to prevent dryness and irritation. A good aftershave can also leave you smelling fantastic, but more on that later. Take your time, gentlemen, and enjoy the process. A proper shave is an investment in your appearance and your confidence. Embrace the ritual and step out with a renewed sense of self-assurance.
Hello everyone. Life is very short, but if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up, don't hesitate. Just look at the books, see if they have information in there that'll help you become a great man. Or help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short, and if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. My books will help you do that, I believe.
Hair today, success tomorrow, the right style for your success story. Your hairstyle is an extension of your personality. It should complement your features and project the image you want to convey. Find a stylist you trust and consult with them. They can recommend styles that suit your face shape and hair type. Invest in quality hair products that keep your hair looking its best. Shampoos, conditioners, and styling products can make a world of difference. And remember, a haircut isn't a one-time thing. Regular trims keep your style looking sharp and prevent split ends. Beyond the basics, body cleansing and that winning scent. We've covered the fundamentals, but true grooming goes beyond the basics. Choose a body wash that cleanses and invigorates. Consider one with a subtle masculine scent. The way you smell can leave a lasting impression. Speaking of scent, cologne is a powerful tool. Choose a fragrance that complements your body chemistry and personality. A light application is all you need. Remember, the goal isn't to overpower, but to entice. A pleasant scent can make you more attractive and memorable. Own your image. Own your future. Grooming for a life of achievement. Gentlemen, grooming isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good. It's about self-respect, confidence, and taking control of your image. When you invest in your grooming, you're investing in yourself. You're showing the world that you're ready to succeed. So step up your game. Master the basics. Find your signature style. Own your image. Because when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you can achieve anything. Now go out there and show the world what you're made of.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. They're great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds. So